Today we're going to make rosemary alcohol. And then rosemary ointment, which for me are essentials in a natural first aid kit. To make it, we're going to use fresh rosemary sprigs from your garden or a neighbor's garden. We're going to cut them into small pieces and put them in a clean jar with an airtight lid. Rosemary alcohol is for topical use and helps reduce muscle pain. It's also excellent for circulation. It will help us prevent varicose veins. That's because it's rich in rosmaricin. It relieves that uncomfortable feeling of tired legs and will reduce swelling in the feet. We apply the rosemary alcohol to the area and massage for 20 minutes. It also helps to eliminate cellulite. We can apply it 3 or 4 times a day. And it's excellent for rheumatic pain. What we always have to do is keep massaging the area. Once we fill the jar with fresh rosemary sprigs, we're going to fill it with grain alcohol. This alcohol is food grade. Once we fill the jar with the alcohol, we close it tightly and store it in a cool, dark and dry place for 3 weeks so it can macerate. For better results, we can shake it a little every day. After 3 weeks, it's ready to use. For this rosemary ointment recipe, we're going to strip the rosemary sprigs because we're only going to use the leaves. This ointment has the same properties I just mentioned about rosemary alcohol, but it's more pleasant and gentler to apply. We're going to use 150 grams of coconut oil and the fresh rosemary we just stripped from the sprig. And we also take advantage of the properties of coconut oil, which contains vitamins E and K, making it ideal for moisturizing skin tissues and promoting cell regeneration. We're going to melt it in a double boiler. And when it's completely melted, we'll add the rosemary leaves we stripped and have here fresh. We're going to add leaves until we've completely covered the melted oil we have here. Then we're going to let it infuse for 45 minutes. Once it's ready, we're going to strain it into the container we're going to use. To finally have our cream, we can use a little gauze. We close the jar, let it cool, and it will be ready to use at any time. Here I want to show you the ointment we just made, which is already solidified. We apply it where we have pain, for example, rheumatic pain or muscle pain. It's excellent. You're going to love how this ointment relieves pain. It's wonderful. It's very smooth and smells great. And what coconut oil does is that it absorbs really quickly. We wait a few seconds and our skin is already very soft. And all the greasiness disappears. Here's our cream, perfect for the natural medicine cabinet. Rosemary, when we let it dry very well, then we can grind it and use it as a seasoning. And it lasts a really long time, but we can also use it to cleanse the energy in our home. We light a white candle which represents purity and clarity, and with that candle we light the dried sprigs. And we're going to burn a sprig of rosemary, one for each room we want to cleanse. of energies that we feel are heavy or negative energy. And we leave all the remains in a container as I'm showing you here. Then the ashes that are left, we throw them outside from our front door. Or if not, a very good option is to put them in the compost, because the earth takes care of transmuting and transforming everything. In the kitchen, we love to use fresh rosemary, chopped. We use just a little because it's very powerful, its flavor and aroma are very strong. We usually chop it very finely, very well, and we mix it with garlic and onion. And it works as an excellent seasoning for making roasted vegetables, for example. I also love to make rosemary water. For that I use lemon, which I cut into slices and pieces. That's because in this drink I use the lemon peel and also the juice of half a lemon. I add lemon juice and peels to cold water. And 3 rosemary sprigs. I leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours and then it's ready to enjoy. It's exquisite. To make it sweet, add some stevia or honey.